What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our basement renovation here we're doing in Westboro. Just wanted to walk you through kind of what we're doing and answer the question, what are kappa treads? So as probably most of you know, the flooring here, this is floating floor. Pretty easy, it just clips together, has a little underlayment. But what happens when you have to do stairs? And you have to match this. So they make this cool system, right? It's called a kappa tread. This is what it looks like. It's got a little nosing on it, and they make it to match the flooring. So as you can see here, this is the staircase we're doing. I got all the treads done, so you can kind of see how that works. So it just kind of clips over. We use this little stair jig here. You loosen up the ends, bada bing, bada boom. Put it in here, push it tight to the sides, tighten these down like that, pull it out, and there you go. There's your stair measurement. Pretty easy, no big deal. Now, there's also, as you can see, the white risers here. These actually come with the kappa treads. That is these right here. And the cool thing about these is they come white, but they also come the same color as the tread if you want to run that route. So they give you multiple options there. But yeah, pretty simple, matches the floor pretty well, and we're pretty much close to wrapping up here. So just wanted to show you guys how that works, and we'll let you know how it goes. We'll see you later.